Hey everybody, welcome or welcome back. I'm Madison.
And I am Corbin.
We are collectively Anime Date Night. Welcome. I just said that. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you for joining us.
So we're back with Mushoku Tensei. It is episode 7.
Yep.
Called The Kidnapping and Confinement of Beast Girls, which has me thinking it's going to be some kind of continuation of the Slave Mart.
I was just about to say, I think we're going to hop back to the Slave Mart, for a jaunty Saturday afternoon.
Before we dive into the episode, there were a couple of things I've been trying to take notes and stuff to make sure I... So you guys in the comments said that Juliet speaks Beast. That dwarf people speak Beast language.
Oh.
So that makes it clear why Rudeus would have been able to talk to her, right? Because Ghislaine taught him Beast. Also, big thank you, because a lot of you guys were saying in the comments that when if you've read the light novel, they didn't quite do the show the way the light novel was done, and you can't do that with every program, right? Get every single detail right, but having that context of Rudy really struggling with the idea of this slave mart and recognizing that if he were to act on this, he would become an outlaw and actively hunted down, and it would have been a whole fucking thing. So thank you for that context. It does help. And fuck those slavers.
Yeah, I'm just not a big fan of slavers in general, but I guess, time and a place for a slave rebellion. That's the only takeaway I can take from that. But,
slave rebellion, there we go.
I'm sure they'll get to it at some point or another. I have a feeling that Rudeus is really going to try and clean up the world as his end game.
Speaking of rebellion,
oh,
we've been watching Lelouch of the Rebellion, Code Geass.
Yes.
Go ahead and hit the playlist, I'll link it here, and give that a watch and a gander. We're just about done with that journey, or at least with season 1's journey, but we're very excited.
Yes. Other than that, you ready to dive into Mushoku Tensei?
I think so.
Let's do it.
Okay.
Oh yeah, show me the northern castles.
I want this to be the episode where they knowingly reunite. Your shades. It's an adorable little hat on her.
She's going incognito.
街の地理に詳しくなるし、常に自分の限界を知ることもできる。
Very intentional. I like it.
けではない。でも、ルディが僕の立場だったら。
And there's Rudy running in the background.
で前向きな人が好きなんだと思う。それはルディのせいなのかな。
Doing little Rudeus doodles.
やっぱり女の子が好きなんだろうな。他の女の子にも手を出すのかな。
I don't know, maybe.
ルディのお父さんもそうだったし。
I don't think so, to be honest.
If your dad's a two-timer, then you gotta be it. Come on, Sylphie. People in the comments were saying that both of Sylphie's parents died in the Mana disaster.
Oh, damn.
Yeah.
Dang.
Yeah, I think we made some comment about, I honestly don't remember when we said it. We got a lot going on in life, y'all. But something about, did they just, take it in the orphan? And I'm like, no, she's not an orphan. No, but she is.
Dang.
Yeah, she is.
Well, at least she's an orphan with a wand.
At least she's an orphan with a rich friend.
僕、ルディとどうなりたいんだろう。
I don't know, but you can start by telling him who you are, because he's been looking for you.
Wait, back up?
She saw what she wanted the relationship to be.
Oh, did she get a little,
She's a little flushed.
どうしよう。
Her ears are red.
That's what I'm saying, man.
Her ears are red. Come on, baby girl, what you got in mind? It's turning you all these colors. I still love those feathers. She's green.
You know what Rudeus's school uniform reminds me of? The uniform from that dude in Sailor Moon Crystal. Not Tuxedo Mask, the white counterpart.
The white counterpart for Tuxedo Mask.
No.
Oh, you mean his alter ego?
Yeah.
Got you. Yes, I see it. Look at these birds. Yo, I didn't realize that Disturbed Magic was an Orsted original spell. It doesn't have a ranking.
Wow.
That green feather. He's reaching for her.
But he's gonna find a way to move on.
Wow. Her first little bloop.
She got a little bit of a rock bloop bloop bloop.
人形にしか興味がないと思っていたザノバも彼女の面倒を
Aww. like it's no getting fleshed out.
と言ってもこの佇まい。
そういえばロキシー人形の方はどうしたんですか？
個人が
Oh no.
あるにはあるのですが。
あるんですか？久しぶりに見たいので。
What did he do to it? Did he break it? Why is he hyperventilating like this?
Yo.
おい、なんだこれは。
What did he do to it?
What? Oh my god, this is in my ear!
He's so strong.
He shattered it?
Because he was trying to see underneath the thing.
俺がどれだけ師匠に感謝し尊敬してるか。
Yo, she's like, get me the fuck out of here.
Yeah. She can only understand, I'm sure, like 10% or less of this conversation.
But it's enough. His reaction.
It's emotionally charged.
あのドルディア族の娘たちか。
決闘の際に脳をかけたのです。それで弱。
Bet the Roxy figurine and lost, bro.
申し訳あり。
Oh, that's rough.
Yo, look at his nose! Get a grip!
お前も悔しい。
Get a grip, my guy! Don't punch him in the face.
許せん。人が作ったものを奪った上でわざわざ壊すとは。
Bro, just fix it.
許しておけぬ。
彼女らに思い知らせてやりましょう。
Oh, what you got in mind, Rudeus?
むっかい気に食わない態度だ。もう片方の人形もバラ。
Smeowshed! Oh, my heart just died. You want to get your other figurine smeowshed? Yo! I love the Beast People so much.
はよか。
いいじゃないですか。何も恥ずかしいことはありません。群れなければ何もできないと喧伝しているのですから。
Okay, okay. See Mew? Mew guy.
教室の隅で縮こまってりゃ見逃してやったが、あんまりでかい口叩くとぶっ。
Mew's talking.
あっちらはもうやんちゃを卒業した優等生だから忙しいにゃ。
These fucking puns.
てめえ裸に向いて水ぶっかけてやるにゃ。
Dunk Mew drown.
ザラバ、うるせなだ。
Hang on. Back.
にゃーにゃーうるさいんだよ。従属はそんな下手くそな人間語しか喋れないのか？
Oh, he's fucking with her. He knew that would piss her off.
To the face.
今日は白か。
Wow.
That was fast.
割とあっけなかったな。もしかしてパウロとかエリスって相当強いのか？
Yes.
おはようございます。
Dang.
何から話しましょうか。
この状況ならもしかしてあれが治るかもし。
Nope. That's not great.
いい感触だ。だが興奮は薄い。
That's not great.
あなた方ですね。
この気持ち悪い人形が何なの？
それは
My goddess.
そうです。僕は彼女に助けられたことで世界を知ることができました。
Shrine and everything. Poor Julie.
もし開きはありますか？
違うの。踏んだのはリニアなの。
Sold her friend out.
That was so quick.
Threw her under the bus.
Threw that bitch under the bus.
でも踏んだのはリニアなの。足が滑ったのに。
Me feel it. A purr. Oh my god, I cannot.
聖獣様に不埒な真似を働いたということで裸に向かれて冷水を
I remember that.
たものです。あなた方もそうしましょうか？
We had a time editing that.
だから私だけは助けるの。そうや、あっちはどうなってもいい。
二度と会ってたまるものか。
許してほしいんだったらこの人形くっつけて元通りにして。
I mean, how? How, meow?
Glue, meow.
I suppose.
いいわけではないぞ。パーツも揃ってるし、当時よりも俺の腕は上がっ。
Yeah, man. Like, that's what I was wondering.
つまりザノバ君と一緒に女の子を監禁してる。
Kidnapping, false imprisonment. Yeah. Oh, what's the right idea?
そうなの？
せいぜい胸を揉んだ程度です。少し確かめることがあります。
You wanted to check to see if you could cure your ED.
そういう意味ではないですね。 ともあれ、フィッツ先輩にはまた
I don't know, man. I don't think you're in the right on this.
Not at all.
Won't leave him and bear a grudge.
あまり言わない方がいいと思うが。
Did Zenobia?
夜中に吠えたりしないの。噛みついたりもしないの。
Jeez.
How long have they been here?
4 or 5 hours or maybe more?
Did they pee themselves?
I kind of got the feeling that maybe, yeah.
That appears to have been the case.
ちょっと反省が足りないね。
お前は関係ないんやろ。そうなの。ヌーニなの。
特殊な詠唱をすれば一生後になって残るやつ。
フィッツ。
Meow, but
僕が魔術を発動させてその入れ墨を一生残すからね。
ギレーヌですかね。
ギレーヌ？ドルディア族のギレーヌかにゃ。
that Ghislaine.
Yes, your cousin.
リニアがギュエスの娘ってことは。
Aunt. I was close.
じゃあにゃ。またねボス。人形のことはごめんなさいなの。
And just like that, he's got 2 more followers.
ごめんルーデウス君、調子に乗っちゃって。
いえ、
Sometimes all you need to bring people close together, bit of kidnapping, you know?
But he touched. He touched.
Yeah.
He should lose a hand for that.
Yeah, that wasn't kosher, bro.
我が宗派のご神体が入っています。
ルーデウス君ってミリス教徒じゃないんだ。
She's gonna open it.
この枕ザラザラ音がす。
横になってもサングラスを外さない。ここでふと手を伸ばして外したら。
I wouldn't. Wouldn't be very nice.
No. Will you recognize her? Will she do it?
Don't chicken out. Come on now.
Don't leave us there.
Ah, you great big kidder.
もしあのままフィッツ先輩の顔を見てしまったら。
I wonder too. I guess we won't know.
なんだか取り返しのつかないことになっていた気。
And that's it. Okay, so the title delivered exactly what happened, but I still wasn't ready for how far that went.
No, I wasn't a huge fan. And someone mentioned that like if the slave mark bothered me, then this app would be like hold my beer. And
That-
you didn't lie. You didn't lie.
Yeah, no, that sounds about right.
You did not tell an untruth.
But now Linnea,
Didn't love that.
yeah,
Keep your hands to yourself, my guy.
yeah, especially as you're getting older.
Well, and it's like, listen, if the girls are out and about, right, and you catch an eye of the girls, it just be like that, right? But grabbing the girls, like laying hands on the girls, and like, it's this whole weird thing in my head too, because like, his uncle, Soros, had a whole thing about beast people, and they were servants and they were slaves, and I just need him to not be gross. Because if Ghislaine found out that he fondled her niece,
Ooh,
she would end him
she'd kill him right meow.
personally.
She'd take personal offense.
Wow.
Yo, but I'm kind of glad that they're gonna stop being antagonistic. That our relationship with Linnea and I forget the other chick's name, we're gonna move forward in more positive directions, and that's nice.
It is nice. We love a good sense of opportunity.
Still kind of waiting for Turning Point 3 though, like waiting for like
Nah, I trust the process. They're
this
gonna
process.
Yeah, they're gonna fuck with our feelings when it's most.
Yeah, you're
You
right.
know.
We should enjoy the ride while we're just kind of cruising here.
Yeah.
We don't need another Orsted event.
Oh, we'll get one.
Yeah.
I'm confident. But man, what an
Yeah.
episode.
What an episode. Hey, if you like the stuff that we're doing, hit that like, hit that subscribe, hit the notification bell. Join the conversation in Discord. We're having a good time and we'd love for you to join us.
Yeah. We have discovered our new discovered. I'm such a dick. We had a vote on our Discord. We do have our next show that will be Oshinoko, and I'm very excited to begin that journey.
Yes. Yes.
Episode 1, we've been told, is pretty lengthy. But it's fucking be worth it. That's all I'm saying.
I'm excited for a new journey.
It's like an hour and a half long episode.
Yeah.
I think the Inuyasha movies were that long.
That's funny. Yeah, I guess.
But
yeah, man.
we're on to the new journey. On to the next one. What?
No, that was all I got.
Okay.
I guess we'll catch
Well,
on. Oh, good.
See you guys soon.
Peace.
Bye.